Hello friends, in this video I'll tell you how to split a table horizontally in Word. Please like and subscribe and let's get started. So for example, I created a small table like this. To split it horizontally, we do the following. First we click on the table so that additional tabs of the table settings open on the ribbon. We click on the table for a reason, but select a row of the current table, which should be the first row of the new table. For example, it will be the 5th row. Now go to the Layout tab, and here we need the Split Table button. We click on it and we got two tables from one table. Everything is very simple. And to merge these two tables into one, we do the following. Hold down the left mouse button on this icon at the top left and drag the second table up. We drag the table until the borders of the tables overlap and then release the button. This method only works with identical tables. If this method didn't work out for you, then try the standard copy-paste method. Add an empty row to the first table, then copy the entire second table, place the cursor in the first empty cell and paste the copied data. And that's it. Now in Open More.